I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I sound a little bit hoarse right now, so do not mind my voice. I'm sick, but I needed to work, so I had to keep the ball rolling. But with that being said, let me just tell you guys about this wig that I'm wearing. So this wig is from Gorgius Hair, and this is their package. This is what the wig came inside. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, I just want to show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. I got some stocking cap, which I did use, but I didn't use any glue because this wig is glueless, so you don't need to do any work, really and truly. So I did use the stocking cap, even though I did not glue it down. And they sent me this little pouch, and this pouch has some bobby pins, elastic band, edge brush, and some clips that you could use to like hold your hair when you're doing your installation. So these two little clips. And they also sent me some tweezer, which we all use the tweezers to pluck the front of the wig. However, this wig did not need much plucking because there was little to no lace, like literally only right here as the lace and a little part at the front, so you don't really need to do any plucking like that. But now for this wig. So this wig was a 20-inch wig. It is layered, it comes layered. All I needed to do was just straighten the wig. Like I didn't use no glue, no nothing. All I needed to do, like I said, was just straighten the wig and put it on my head and use some hairspray to keep it down. But really and truly, you really do not need it because there's not much lace to work with. But for the most part, I love the quality of this wig. Like, it's definitely giving blowout. It's giving natural hair. It's giving you silky pressed your natural hair, if you get what I'm saying. And for those people that don't really like to do baby hairs, you can definitely do this wig without baby hairs. As you can see, I didn't do any baby hairs with this, and it's still giving what it's supposed to give. I had this wig on and everyone thought it was my natural hair, even though my natural hair is like curly, but they thought like I silk pressed my hair. For those who do not know that I actually did a big chop to my hair, they really thought that I actually straightened my hair, and I was just like, can you guys see that this is a wig? But nevertheless, if you guys want to see the installation process of this wig, then definitely keep on watching.
Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels in a safety. Riding 100. Gotta roll OT, gotta give and release. Spread your legs downtown, I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep.
Claps. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Claps.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys like to purchase this wig, definitely check the description box down below. I'll be leaving the links to the wig and also to the store itself, the hair store itself. So if you guys would love to purchase this wig, definitely check that down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.